What's up, everybody? Yesterday we experienced a very bad hailstorm, and I caught some of that footage on my Snapchat, so I thought I'd like to share it for this vlog today. So I'll let you guys check that out and see for yourself. Alright, see you in a bit. It's got some pretty crazy weather going on right now here in Colorado. That's all hail.
That's all it is? It's not even made.
Ah, it's all hail.
That little bit,
We got all this hail right here. And look at all the damage it has done to the roof right here. See, we don't get this crap over here in New Mexico. It just totally tore the roof completely apart. Look at all that. That's parts of the roof and that's hail. Pretty crazy. As you can see, the roof is pretty damaged, pretty messed up. Real crazy. As you can see, it has busted through the gutters right there. There's definitely gonna have some repairments for the house. As you can see, here's a lot more of the hail right here. This looks like snow all combined up together, but no, this is not a thunderstorm. This is a hailstorm, and it's causing some damages on the house. You know, hopefully it slows down pretty soon. This is pretty bad weather. Very bad weather. Okay guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around for the next video. Alright, ABC ya.